What's good, fam? It's Asia, and today I'm going to be using the Fro The Culture Collection to transform my beautiful fro into this cute little updo. So I'm starting off with the powerful shampoo. All of these products have the key ingredients of black charcoal and cumin, which is why the color is gray. So I'm using it and you can see it lathers up extremely well. I found it to be very moisturizing. It didn't feel like it was stripping my hair at all. I wouldn't personally use this as a clarifying shampoo. Next, I applied the Courageous conditioner, which also provides a lot of moisture and slip to your hair. I loved how easy it was to work it into my hair. The consistency is great. Not too thick, not too thin, and it really felt like it was penetrating my hair strands and not just sitting on top of my hair. Next, I applied the Magnificent Miracle Mask. Now this is the bomb. I really love the thick consistency of this. Even though it's thick, it's still extremely easy to apply to my hair. A little bit goes a long way. I kept this on for about an hour, and as you can see, my hair was nice and steamy underneath that cap. I then rinsed my hair and was left with the softest hair of life. It was so soft and moisturized, and my curls just felt so happy. I then applied the Accomplished Triple Layer Leave-In, which is very thick in consistency as well. But what I found about this is that it actually provides moisture and felt like I did not need to seal. It's like it was moisturizing and sealing all in one. It's a very nice consistency and distributes easily, so a little bit goes a long way. But honestly, I was loving how it was feeling, so I just kept putting it in like I couldn't stop. So now it's time to put in my Curlformers. I'm using the 40 pack of extra long and wide, and I'm also going to be using the Bold and Buttery Gel. Now this reminds me of flaxseed gel in consistency, and it smells amazing and is really easy to distribute. So using my 360 spray bottle, which is the bomb by the way, I added water in there and just began to spray my hair just to add that moisture back in, since I have been doing this for a while. And then I added some of the Bold Buttery Gel and I just smoothed that throughout my hair very well. Now for this installation, I put the orange ones in the back and then focused the pink ones more towards the front of my hair. Apparently the orange ones are wider, so I figured it would be best back there. So once I've got my hair smoothed out, this is what my curls look like. As you can see, they're popping and you can already start to see that shine coming through. Now inserting the Curlformer hook into the Curlformers is super easy. All you do is just push it up the bottom. Once you have it inserted, you're ready to install. So I went ahead and I parted off a section of hair and just smoothed again, just to make sure that my hair was nice and free of tangle. This is important so that way when you're separating, you don't experience any snagging. So all you do is just wrap the hook around the root of your hair, and then I like to pinch the top a little bit just to keep it open and use my middle finger to kind of push the black hook down. And then I just pull it down until my hair is pretty much all the way in the Curlformer. So this is how it looked once I finished. I think I had about 6 left over. So I'm using my Curlformer bonnet attachment, which goes onto your blow dryer, and basically this just allows you to dry your hair within 38 to 45 minutes on low heat. And once my hair is fully dry, I just began to take them out, and as you can see, my hair looks so shiny and so defined. So next I took the sophisticated Sheen spray and I just put a little bit of that into my hands and rubbed it throughout the length of my hair. Then I just began to separate my curls. Once I separated each strand at least once, I went ahead and took my pick and kind of fluffed it a little bit more. Then I took bobby pins and I just pinned my hair to the side. I'm using these bobby pins that I got from Five Below for like 50 cents. Now I want to use those bobby pins to add a little flair, so I'm doing a little design with the bobby pins. So once I have the design completed, I went ahead and did it in the back as well. Then I took my pick and just fluffed out that section of hair that's next to the pinned up part, just to make sure that there's no part showing there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be on the lookout for my more detailed review coming this weekend. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.